Hello, how do I set a limit price for buying when it comes to swing trading? Well, when I'm trying to purchase a stock, I will choose limit price and I will put the price that it is selling around that time frame, because a lot of time I place the order around midday. I will look at the bid and the price that it was selling around that time, and then I will choose the price it was selling around that time, and I will set day so that that order is just for that day. If it does not purchase it, it will cancel when the market closes. And that is how I set my limit price. I will choose the market price, but I will put a limit condition on it so that if the price goes up after I place the order, it does not buy it for me. The brokerage firm does not buy it for me, because there could be few second difference between the last price and when I place order. And sometimes the price changes as I'm placing the order, and I'll keep changing it as well. It could go either way, up or down. But once I place the order and I review it and submit it, it could buy it at a lower price or at the price that I set at, but not higher than that. So that is the way I do it. So do you set limit price when you are swing trading and you are placing your order? Today we are going to analyze APH as of June 7, 2026. So when I'm looking at APH, let's go to maximum daily chart. We like to buy it at either one of these support line, and I will pick this one to be my preferred one, but I'll keep an eye on this as well. But right now is around the peak of the mountain. It's nowhere near where we like to buy, so we'll keep waiting on it. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and naso.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading is another way to create a stream of income on the side. Just start small and slowly but surely grow your account from there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I personal or joint brokerage account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, what I'm learning here with you, so that if you find some tip useful, you can improve on those and use them in your own financial success journey. So thank you so much for your time. Just proceed with caution, because certain things might work for me but may not work for you, especially if the strategies we are using are different. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Option Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. We offer household product including tote bag, cloth napkin. So if you are looking for those for your house, will you please check Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.